Recently, CRRC Zhuzhou Institute released the news that the self-developed new intelligent tram was unveiled and tested in Istanbul, Turkey. The tram test run, which started in the early hours of April 2nd local time, is about 40 kilometers long and crosses the Bosphorus Strait. The line is an important commuter route in Istanbul, carrying 1 million passengers a day. The emergence of the smart tram provides a new green solution to Istanbul's public transport problems, bringing new opportunities to the city of 16 million people.